Alright, guys.
We have no progress of finding the bike.
Yeah, and he's on his feet, guys. We've been walking around, riding
And about
and
an hour
walking
now.
for about an hour,
now.
yeah. Guys, we went all the way up a hill.
And
Right there.
And we went up through there.
Yeah, we went up all the way up there, and we went down there. Guys, we went all around my neighborhood, so we're just...
Like, we don't even know if it's even here.
We decided we're gonna just start recording just because, but...
We just want to tell you guys, like...
about the progress and stuff. But he's been losing... He didn't have his bike for like a month now. You might have seen like a mountain bike in the other videos, but like that was literally just his grandpa bike, and it literally, the chain just broke off of it. So, like, everything is sucking right now for him. But, you can tell him about the story about everything.
Me and my friends, Philip and him, we're like...
Dude, look, a poor birdie.
Dude, no way. No, you guys don't
wing is broken.
touch it.
Oh my...
Oh,
Did it just fall out of the nest?
Yeah.
no. No. I got a glove. No, I got a glove.
No, watch out, okay.
No, don't.
Where's it? I see it's... Wait.
Yeah, I see it.
Hold on, baby. The wing's broken. There's really nothing we can do about it.
You want to go get them?
No, his leg and his arm's broken. You see that?
Let's go get them.
Who, them?
No, them. Like, yeah, like one of these two, because they can hand, like...
Calm down, buddy. He's all scared. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Dude, don't, stop. Stop, okay.
Look, you see
someone...
its broken leg? It's got a broken leg and then its wing's broken. Should we just leave it and the mom maybe will help it?
You don't think we should go ask for help?
Jade, did you just
Or
see
should
it
we
fall?
just... no, I seen like I thought it was a fish. I was like, why is there a fish over here? So I looked over there and I was like, bro, it's a bird. Should we go in?
I feel like... No, I think we should go ask someone to come and help us.
Let's go and ask this guy.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go ask the one that we stayed the dogs maybe?
Yeah. Okay, you know, let's go ask him.
No, but Jade, I don't really know.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Maybe it'll be fine.
No,
because that thing
Phil.
was like all the way up in the wind.
Oh
Did
my
you see
God,
it?
I see it.
Where at?
It's legit at the very top. Do you not see it? You don't?
Bro, let's go. Let's go. Let's go and ask. Bro.
Okay.
This thing got
Oh my
dead.
No, I mean, even if we ask Jake, then, like, there's nothing that they can really do about it.
I mean, they can at least take it to the vet or something.
It's probably.
It's gonna die either way.
No, let's go. Let's go. No.
Let's go.
Even if they take it to the vet. Nobody's gonna take it to the vet.
I'm with Jake.
But if we go and ask somebody,
They're not gonna freaking cook it.
they might just tell us no.
No, because we saved their dog.
It costs money to take it to a vet. I think that it should be fine right now. We'll come check on it later.
You think
If
so?
it's still there, then we'll go get it. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Were you
so.
recording the bird?
Mhm.
Dang, guys. That was crazy.
Anyway,
Guys, should we go to our skinny? Our kind of, like, swimming spot?
Yeah.
Guys, yeah, we're going to show you our
Wait,
swimming
but
spot.
let me tell them the story first. Oh, dude,
Yeah.
do you think we should ask her?
No.
She looks like she would help us.
No, you got a kid. Just leave it.
Okay, so
Come back later.
story is I was outside with my friends, Philip, and some others, and I left my bike out.
In the
What?
ditch.
Not in the ditch, but like on the side of the ditch, like in my yard. And I came back like 5 minutes later because I went to go eat with all of my friends, and
Stolen.
it like got stolen.
We came
I know.
outside and it was gone, guys. Like, I don't know, it's just sad. Now we're just chilling on the floor right now because
Okay.
literally we're just devastated. But
You know what?
oh, shoot. Maybe someone, I don't know, should we ask
I
them?
feel like we should ask
Maybe
them.
that dog will maybe find it.
No, I feel like we should ask them.
Alright, we'll ask them if they
There's
come
the
over here.
gays. Get your bikes. Let's go.
Alright, we'll ask them if they come over here. Come here.
Let's ask the dad.
We'll ask them if they come over here.
Yeah. So yeah, we were just riding and stuff happened. But should I keep on recording?
They're coming.
Should I keep on recording?
No, guys, we're gonna cut the video right now. We're
Yeah.
gonna come get y'all back in a little bit. Peace.